Now you can turn your ideas, your images and your scripts into full-blown animated videos in literally just few seconds. And that too with the characters that actually feel alive. So in this video, I'm going to show you a platform which is called Vidu AI. And this is an AI platform that makes storytelling ridiculously fast and expressive. Whether you're making anime style shorts, high-speed action scenes, or character-driven stories, this AI platform promises a seamless character-friendly workflow. And by the way, this video is sponsored by Vidu AI, but I will share my honest experience. So Vidu AI has recently released this AI model which is called Q3, and this Q3 AI model is basically a powerhouse for creators. Here's what makes it stand out. High-speed action performance perfect for fight or chase scene, anime style storytelling, and stylized characters with facial expressions. You can also generate multilingual dialogues like in English, Japanese, and Chinese. It also has this multi-shot continuity that keeps our characters, objects, and scenes consistent across different cuts. So Vidu AI overall has three main workflows. The first one is reference to video, where you can just provide a reference and ask it to generate a video based on that reference. Another one is text to video, which is one of the most popular one, where you can just explain just what sort of video do you want, and then it will generate a video for you. And the third one is image to video, where you can just provide an image and then it will generate a video from that image. But one of the most powerful feature here is this reference to video. This feature basically allows you to build short narratives with strong visual continuity across multiple shots. So instead of generating random clips, you can actually create a consistent story where characters stay the same, objects remain consistent, and scenes maintain their identity across different cuts. But it goes even further. This reference to video feature is actually strong at maintaining the character, object, and scene consistency across different scenes and across different camera angles. So to start using it, it is absolutely simple. You can just go to vidu.com, simply just go to vidu.com, or just click on the link in description, and after that you can just sign up and start using it. This reference to video feature also supports multi-angle storytelling, switching camera perspective without breaking continuity, and also preserving the visual identity and emotional consistency across different cuts. And for creators, this is huge. You can extend a character or a scene across multiple shots, and that too without restarting from scratch every time. So for this video, I'm going to create an anime style fight scene. So I have created a very detailed prompt inside ChatGPT. I just explained my idea and then I just created this detailed prompt. This detailed prompt actually includes who the characters are, the setting, the action, and even emotional cues as well. So the next is I'm going to choose the reference images. So if I just click on this reference button, and I can just upload my own reference images because these images are not suitable for my use case. So I'm just going to upload these different images that I just generated using Nano Banana Pro. So this character is a hero character and we can just give him a voice. I don't know what voice we can give him, but let's just give him some random voice. And I can just tag him hero. Click on next, and now can see our reference character has been added in here. Next, I'm going to add this another character which is called villain, and now let's just give villain some scary voice. So I'm just going to give villain this voice, this particular one. Similarly, I can just create this tag, and now I can simply just click on this next step. I can just add both of these hero and villain in here, and I can choose any AI model from here. The latest one and the best one is Vidu Q3. This AI model actually supports multi-shots and audio video sync as well. Also, we can choose the duration, by the way. So we can choose the duration up to 16 seconds. So let's just choose the maximum duration and also the resolution as well. So if I just click on create, now let's just see what happens. Okay, so there you go. You can see our video is ready. That is just some next level craziness. You can see the action looks very natural. What's amazing here is that Vidu maintains the character and scene consistency across multiple shots. Now the next is where the character comes to life, and this is actually using image to video. So I can upload my character images and let Vidu animate them. So for this image to video feature, I need to provide a first frame and a last frame. So I can simply just click on this first button from here. Now I have just uploaded a first frame image. So now I need to provide the second frame image. So this is the first frame image. Let me just quickly click on the second frame, the last frame. So this is the last frame of the video. So now it is going to create a video which will start from this frame and will end at this particular frame. So let me just quickly show you on a bigger screen. So this is basically our first frame and this is the last frame. So you can see in this frame she's just trying to do some sort of magic spell, and now you can see in here she is in an action and she's going to and maybe attack and do something. So I've just created these images, and now I'm just going to use these as references, and I can actually give a certain prompt. I can describe the transition between both of these frames. Also, I can choose the video length. I can make a video for 8 seconds, or maybe for 16 seconds, or maybe for 5 seconds. So now I can simply just click on this create button, and now it is going to create a video for us. Let me just wait for it, and there you go. You can see our video is ready. Let me just quickly play it. This looks amazing. So you can see it has created this exactly as we expected. So this is the first frame where the character actually starts this magic spell, and this thingy comes up, and now you can see the lighting changes in background because she is preparing for an attack, and now you can see character has just like she is in the attack pose. That's amazing. So from the start frame to the end frame, you can see it has created a very high quality video exactly as we expected. Similarly, the next feature is text to video. So here I can just like type dialogues or scene direction and even emotional cues as well, like lighting and camera angles. So Vidu automatically generates character dialogues, background music and sound effects and multi-shot scene continuity. This allows me to create a full cut-based video straight from text without touching traditional animation software. So let's just try to create a 3-shot sequence video. So I have just given like the details of the 3 shots. So the first shot is hero enters the scene, dramatic camera pans. The second shot is close up of the emotional reaction, and the third shot is high speed action clash. So I've just explained 3 shots in here. I can provide more details, but I think this detail is enough. I can actually give more details about what hero should look like, what the main character should be wearing and all of that stuff. But let's just quickly click on create, and let's just create the first cinematic shot. Okay, so the video is ready, and there you go. You can see exactly as we explained. The shot 1 is hero enters the scene and dramatic camera pans. Perfect. So that's the first requirement which is fulfilled. Dramatic camera. Perfect. Shot 2 is close up of the emotional reaction. So that was the shot 2, close up of the emotional reaction, and then the third shot was high speed action clash. So the shot ends at the high speed action clash. Perfect. And this looks like absolutely realistic, very cinematic by the way. I just cannot stop looking at the whole, like the combination of all these different shots, because you can see everything is like so smooth. The character is consistent, of course, and it created this exactly as we explained. Now, one of my most favorite feature is how easy it is to iterate. So I can adjust a prompt, swap a character pose, or tweak the camera angle, and Vidu updates the animation instantly. This just saves hours of work and keeps the focus on creativity instead of technical complexity. So here is why this AI tool really stands out. The first point is multi-shot continuity. Your story flows naturally. And the second point is character consistency even in complex scenes. And of course, you have seen the emotional driven animation. That's just why Vidu AI actually stands out. So overall, Vidu has a creative friendly workflow. From idea to final cut, you can do everything in one single tool. So whether you're making anime, explainer videos or storytelling shorts, this really speeds up the entire process. If you want to try it yourself, just click on the link in description. And if you enjoyed this workflow breakdown, please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.